Welcome to this easy Fixit channel, and this is the market share for operating systems, and that's the market share for April of 2020, as we are beginning, of course, a new month of May. We wanted to take a look at the different operating systems around the world. So what's the numbers? Android, 39.1% of market share, of course, dominating, which is what we thought. This is up from March. March was 38.6. We're now at 39.1. So it's 0.5% increase. So this is going to be interesting to see in the future. I don't think that increase, there's kind of a zone where this number can actually, go up or down. One of the things for sure is I don't expect there's that much sale of new Android phones. Actually, all indications are showing that for the first quarter of this year, phone sales are down, and they're down quite a lot, and I would suspect that they are with what's happening around the world. Windows, 33.1%. That moves from 34.9 to 33.1, which is kind of interesting because it's a big drop. And I don't know what accounts for a drop of 2% of Windows systems. It's kind of interesting here. iOS, which is iPhones and iPads, at 17.2%. This one goes from 15.6 to 17.2. That's a pretty big increase. So 1.5%. It's quite interesting here. OS 10, which is Mac computers, 8.2%. OS 10 at 8.3 last month. Pretty much within the margin of error, so staying stable, basically. And then you have unknown and Linux. Unknown, probably some of them is Chromebooks, and some of them are unknown versions of Linux, maybe also in there. I find that Linux number a little low, as we all pretty much agree that there's at least 1 to 2% of Linux machines out there, rather than 0.7, but I would guess maybe some of the unknowns are Linux distros also. And, older operating systems that can't really put into a category. So kind of interesting to see this increase in Android, big drop in Windows, big increase in iOS also. So maybe if we count Android and iOS that actually have together a really big increase, maybe it could account for why Windows is going down, as maybe people are moving to other devices rather than computers or PCs running Windows. So this was the numbers for April of 2020. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.